Hey, what is up, guys? Today we have this 2013 Ford Escape with the 1.6 liter engine. Problems we had, it was leaking from right here. As you can see, this is the old connector. Someone added tape. I don't know what they were trying to do, but yeah, I mean, it was leaking water from here. So we went ahead and bought the coolant hose, thinking it was an easy fix, but it turns out that if you want to replace this hose, it goes all the way back there. It's about a 2-hour job. You have to remove the air box. You have to remove a lot of things from here. You have to remove all this wiper assembly. It's too much. So I mean, we ended up buying the hose. Is right here. It's really inexpensive. I'm gonna leave the link down below. We paid about $25 for it. So what we did, it was an easy fix. I recommend you do the right job and you change everything the way you're supposed to do. But we didn't have time and we wanted to do like a quick, easy fix. I don't recommend this, but like I said, if you don't have the tools, the time, the money to do the right job, you can use this. So this is the hose we bought. We ended up cutting this part right here. Let me show you. This is the old one. We ended up cutting this one too. This was connected right there, and it used to go all the way back there. So we ended up cutting it using a razor blade right here. So this is where we ended up cutting it, right? So we cut this one. This hose that we bought on Amazon comes already with this hose that you can use. This piece that goes right here, it was right here. So we ended up cutting that part. We got it. We put it in on this side, put some clamp, and then the remaining part, we also cut it right here, which is this one. This is a brand new part. So we put it, and as you can see, we just did this connection right here. I already turned on the car, let it warmed up. There's no leaking water or anything. And I mean, this is a really simple, quick fix. If you don't want to spend 2 hours removing everything and disconnecting the connectors and stuff, like I said before, try doing the right job. If you can't, then you can use this. I hope this video helped you in any way. If it did, please consider subscribing. Let me know if this was a good video for you. Let me know what you think. So all right, guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.